Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to make your digital life easier. Today, we're tackling something super straightforward: how to redeem a Google Play gift card on your phone in 2025. Whether you're treating yourself to some apps, games, or movies, this quick guide will have you up and running in no time. Let's dive right in. First off, make sure you have your Google Play gift card code ready. It's that long string of letters and numbers on the back of the card. Also, ensure you're signed into your Google account on your Android phone or any device with the Google Play Store app. This is crucial for the redemption process to work seamlessly. Step 1. Open the Google Play Store app on your phone. You'll find it on your home screen or in your app drawer. It's the one with the colorful shopping bag icon. Step 2. Once you're in the app, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. This will take you to your account settings menu. Step 3. Look for the Payments and Subscriptions option, or directly search for Redeem in the search bar at the top. In 2025, Google has made this even more user-friendly, so it should be easy to spot. Step 4. Tap on Redeem Gift Card or Code, and a pop-up window will appear. Carefully enter your gift card code exactly as it appears, no spaces or typos. Step 5. Hit the Redeem button, and voila! Your balance should update instantly. You might see a confirmation message, and your credits will be added to your Google Play account. Now, if you run into any issues, like an error message, double-check your code for accuracy or ensure your app is updated to the latest version in 2025. Google Play often has built-in help sections for troubleshooting. And there you have it. Redeeming your Google Play gift card is that simple. This process keeps things secure and hassle-free, so you can start enjoying your purchases right away. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.